Greetings, everyone. Welcome to Algebra 2 Rectangular Coordinate System, presented by Professor D. L. Hobbs. The rectangular coordinate system is made up of two perpendicular number lines called axes. The horizontal line is the x-axis. The vertical line is the y-axis. Both axes are number lines containing both positive and negative numbers known as integers. The point where the x-axis and y-axis intersect is referred to as the origin. The The intersecting axis of the rectangular coordinate system divides the plane into four squared, numbered regions known as quadrants that are read in a counterclockwise manner. The upper right square is quadrant 1. Coordinates or points located in the first quadrant are both positive. The upper left square region is quadrant 2. X points are negative while Y points are positive. The lower left square region of the system is quadrant 3. In quadrant 3, both coordinates are negative. The lower right square is quadrant 4. Points in this quadrant are both positive and negative. Ordered pairs. Points in the rectangular coordinate system are called ordered pairs. The x-coordinate is the horizontal distance from the origin and always appears first in an ordered pair. The y-coordinate is the vertical distance from the origin and always appears second in an ordered pair. Scatter plots. A scatter diagram plots data as ordered pairs in the rectangular coordinate system. Scatter diagrams can reveal patterns or trends in data by comparing data as X and Y values. This is a scatter plot of estimated birth weights in grams for 65 babies' actual birth weights. It shows a significant positive linear relationship and a clustering of values with a range located between zero point 0.1 and zero point 0.2.